If you, like me, get really tired eyes from staring at a computer screen all day, then here are a few things you might want to try out. So first of all, take your glasses off if you wear glasses like me. Rub your palms together for like 15 seconds. Really feel the heat growing between your palms. And then you're going to, when they're good and hot, almost on fire, simply place them, cup them over your eyes, and just take a few lovely deep breaths. So inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. One more time, inhale and exhale. Lower your palms, blink the eyes open, and now you are going to literally look up with the eyes and look down with the eyes. Up with the eyes and down with the eyes. Up and down. This time we're going to go over to the side as far as you can and over to the other side. Other side again and over to the other side. One more time. I'm at my right hand side now and then going to the left. Now imagine you are looking at a clock face and go around the clock face from midnight, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock. Now we're going to go the other way. 11 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock, and back up to midnight. Excellent. So give your eyes a bit of a squeeze. Squeeze and release. Squeeze and release. And squeeze and release. Those eye muscles get really strained looking at that computer all day. Okay, so the next thing I want you to do is simply bring up your hands in front of your face and gaze at the palms of your hands. So just inhale here and then exhale, open those hands and let your focus go into the distance. So inhale, the palms go back, the focus is on your palms, and exhale, the palms goes out and your focus goes into the distance. One more time. Inhale, focus on your palms, and exhale, focus in the distance. Excellent. So this time, place one hand over one eye. Let that eye that's covered rest. Give this other eye that's not covered a bit of a massage and a roll, as in massage it from the inside and the other way around. Excellent. Switch over. Roll that eye around and then back again. Okay, and then both palms on your hand, both palms on your eyes. Squeeze your eyes in and release. Squeeze your eyes, eye muscles, and release. One more time. Squeeze and release. And then just spend some time looking out of the window if you have a window near your desk, or just into the long distance, just to give your eyes a break from having that focus on your screen. So I'm going to look over the camera now. Just take 3 breaths. Inhale. Exhale, just soften your gaze. Inhale. You can let your gaze go out of focus if you like. Inhale. And exhale. We're going to finish with a bit of heat and relaxation. So fire up those palms, really fire them up so that they feel really, really hot. And when you're ready, place them over those eyes, just gently. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. One more time. Inhale and exhale and release. And for a final thing, you can just take your fingers and thumbs and just do a little light pinching of your eyebrows. Really give that little bit here, your frown bit in the center, a bit of a massage. Just smooth out those eyebrows. Just release the tension around those eye sockets. Really, really give each little bit a nice little massage and smooth it out. Okay, enjoy. Namaste.